My name is Christina and I'm from Mom's Furniture. Today I'm going to be talking about Chalk Mountain's chalk paint. It's my all-time favorite chalk paint to use on furniture. The coverage is amazing. The consistency is perfect for brushing it on. It levels really well and it dries pretty quickly. Plus it's affordable. Today I'm going to be using number 49 Deep Sea Red. I already stirred it really well with a stirring stick, and I'm going to be using Chalk Mountain Boar Bristle brush to apply the paint to this piece right here, which I already sanded, cleaned, sanded, and cleaned again using Chalk Mountain's Furniture Prep Cleaner. I just spray it on, I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I wipe it down, and then I repeat that process. So let's get started. Like I said, I already stirred it really well with a stirring stick. I'm gonna paint it right back here so you can see. This piece was already painted. I usually don't do pieces that have been previously painted. I just don't like to do it that way. So far, I'm loving this color. This is the first time I'm using Deep Sea Red. It's more like a deep fuchsia, purpley, dark purple, kind of like a pink purple color. Not so much red. But I'm really enjoying the color. It's very pretty. It's very rich. So I waited about 30-40 minutes for the first coat to dry. I kept my brush in a little plastic baggie so it wouldn't dry out. And I just want you to see the coverage of just the second coat of Chalk Mountain paint. It's so great. No more scary first coat. Another thing I sometimes do is spray my brush with a little bit of water, especially on the third coat. It does thin the paint out a little bit, but it makes it easier and smoother to brush and less brush strokes. Okay, so the second coat I let dry overnight. I just applied the third coat. I'm gonna let it dry for about 30-40 minutes before I sand it all down and apply Chalk Mountain clear wax to it. If you are interested in learning how to use Chalk Mountain wax, you can catch the video on their YouTube channel as well as my website blog at momsfurniturenj.com. If you haven't tried Chalk Mountain paint or products, you are truly missing out on something wonderful. They have over 50 colors to choose from in paint. They also have a ton of different colors for wax, as well as many other products. They are a small business, family owned and operated, based out of California. So definitely give them a try, and you can find them at chalkmountainpaint.com.